Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and pardon me, it's been a while. I have been posting on this YouTube channel. So on today's episode, I'm going to mark new zones for Euro USD, and I think if time permit, I will mark GBP USD also for potential buys and sell zones throughout this week. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Euro USD. So as you can see here is Euro USD on a monthly time frame. And please remember, if this is your first time watching this video, please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So as you can see, this is a monthly candle, and based on monthly, we are seeing there's something that here the price is like, let me say, towards resistance. On resistance level, people can say resistance. It depends on where you are trading. This engulfing candle, this candle as a whole, this 1 2 3 yellow. So when I drag it like this, it's on a monthly resistance level. So we are not trying to swing, or we're not trying to do position trading. So what we are going to do is just to look for a better position that we're going to earn as day trader or scalpers. So without wasting much time, let me get, since I'm here, let me start from the downside. Here, just so you know it, monthly we're on resistance level and anything can happen. If the monthly can do not break and close above, let me use this. If the monthly can do not close above this blue box up, we can be having potential of reversal. So let me dive into weekly. So in weekly, this is what we have. On weekly, this is what we have. On weekly, this is what we have in the zone that I mark in the blue box. And this is what we have. The chart is loading, that's why it's going up and on. You can see the blue box is disappearing and appearing. The chart is still loading from the previous month. By the way, let's continue. Okay, so I'm going to take a pause, let the chart load finish, I think. So after the chart have load finished, then this is where we are. We're just going to look at weekly and daily and H4. That's all for potential buy and sells throughout this week. So this is what we are going to do. Let me just delete this blue box. Remember, monthly we are on resistance level. So by the theory of engulfing, this is what I only have to do. Here, I'm going to mark here. This zone. This engulfing zone also. So this is where I put my lines. White means potential good buy. So that's why I change it to white. As you can see from this zone till this white zone. So if there's not any H4 candle that can be able to close above this blue box is going to reverse as a sell. But if any candle like H4 or daily close above, it can be able to move up till, let me say, this place, to this weekly engulfing fail zone. So this is what we are going to do next. After this, we dive into daily so that we can see our potential zones. Daily. Inside here we have daily, and inside daily you can see some other setup, and you can even swing with these zones. You can even actually have a good setup that you can swing your trades to end of this month when the direction is right, because direction is always the king in forex trading. Understand? This zone, sometimes I also use line chart. Let me use line chart to understand some certain things. Line chart. Okay. The line chart, there are some certain things. Line chart. Here, let me introduce this in this zone, this white zone, engulfing buy that has broken and become engulfing sell. Plus this, so this is where this white line will be. I have tried to minimize this one. So now I've reduced this one and it's small right now. So as far as the H4 or daily did not close above, the candle did not close above, there is going to be sell opportunity in the zones. There's going to be sell opportunity. There's going to be sell. So now let me go up and go down also to look for other partial zone that we're going to use for buy and sell. If here break, if this one break, we are going to look for order around here. Please, this one don't just enter. Try to look for one thing, either rejection on M15 candle engulfing sell. You understand? Look for M15 or M30 engulfing sell or rejection that you can see your own pattern before you can be able to sell or buy in the zone. As I dive in, let me even use here also. Here, let me dive into H4. H4 will give me more details for scalping, because I'm just marking higher with daily, and daily sometimes EURUSD is not moving fast. Sometimes the daily movement, or the, let me say, the daily movement for EURUSD daily sometimes 50, sometimes 100. Let me use an average candle for daily movement. Let me see this. From here to here is what? 120 pips. 120 pips. Let me use this second one. 92 pips. Let me check this. $60. So a whole daily candle moves 60 pips in a day. So with that, let me just go back to H4 that we can be able to scalp as easy as possible. So throughout this video, we are going to make use of these ones. So here, so whenever price come here, we are going to buy. But remember, don't just enter H4 yellow. Don't just enter. Wait for setup to form. Don't worry, as time goes on, I will teach how to use M1 or M5 to get a setup for the continuation buy or sell that is going to help you. So this zone. So immediately price cannot be able to close. If price is not close above this, so the price is going to push it back to this zone. And if price pushes back to this zone, if it did not break, it will go back to this zone. And if it did not break, to come back, or from here to go back to this. Remember, we are in November, second to the last month of the year, so anything can happen. News, fundamental, and other things that can affect it. So from here, if it break, can still come down. And down, I have to monitor this level during the down. For down section, I can see almost how many zones here that are worth fighting for. So this zone here, price can come back. Price can come to this zone. So swinging or scalping, based on, it depends on what you are looking for. This zone are quite alright. So let me use okay. After this, let me go to H1 to look for from the above for buy. If the zone break, here, try to use this zone. This zone, it will give you 30 to 40 pips confirm. This zone. This zone. So EURUSD, these are the zones we are going to looking for. Buy here, buy or sell. Here is sell, here is sell. So all what you are going to do just to monitor it throughout the week, as tomorrow is going to be Monday, or let me just say for the next few hours to come is Monday. It will be Monday. So here we are looking for buy, here is buy, here is either buy or sell. It depends on the setup we saw in the morning. Here is sell or buy. We have to check and see the setup that is going to form. So this is how I mark the zone, and do away with it. Let me see if there's any H1 confirmation that we are going to follow, or H1 setup. And please remember, if this is your first time, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Why this chat's wasting time to load? Yeah, H1. So this is H1. Let me see current zones and level. Okay. Yeah, as time goes on, I will keep an update. Just join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. Yeah, as you can see here, it has started to create an engulfing cell candle here. Let me see M5 or M15. Oh, it's wasting time to load the chart. But nevertheless, so if this is the first time, try to subscribe again. Once I'm Bala FS official by name, try to like and subscribe. So see you on my next video. Let this load so that I can show you some certain things that you will see before you can be able to load in the chart till now. Load. Okay, that's load. So as you can see, this kind of level, some might say break of structure and some other little things. You can see when price come back with M15, price should not cross this zone. M15 candle should not close above this. M15 candle should not close above this line. If it really wants to drop, look at the zone. If it really wants to drop as a sell, M15 should not close this zone above this zone and go up. But sure, welcome to the best of the best. See you on my next video. So these are the zones for EURUSD H4. So this is how it is. The white is for daily, then the yellow is for H4 candle. So see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.